Okay, hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my channel. Another fixing job here. Now I'm giving you a trick to pull this clutch fan out on this 2007 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter V8. And I don't have a tool here to take this clutch fan out. So let's see, this is number 36 millimeter. You can't just put a wrench there, because this one will turn too when you put a wrench there. So you need to block this pulley so that it will not turn while you loosen that nut, the big nut, 36 millimeter. So there's no belt in this anymore, but you can't pry it here. I'm using something to pry to wedge this thing here so that it will not turn, but it didn't work because you might wreck this water pump itself. But anyway, I need to replace the water pump, so you can take the whole thing, but this one is on the way. So what I'm going to do is I need to take this clutch fan out first, so that I can take this water pump out. This is the whole assembly. Okay, you can take the pulley too if you want, but if you just need a pulley. But in this case, we need to replace the whole water pump. So just give you the trick if you can take this clutch fan out without any tool, because there's a special tool of that. There's a hole in this pulley. Look at that, there's another hole here too. Let's see, I put a flashlight in that so that you can see. So what I found is I found a roller for the cabinet. So it's a piece of yeah, it's a roller thing, and there's a hole in it. The distance of the hole here on the other side is perfect distance to that hole there on the pulley. So what I did, I put a Allen wrench on this, stick the Allen wrench into the hole, and the longer handle of the Allen wrench here, I put a tape, duct tape, and I put another Allen wrench on the other side and tape it again here. So this is perfectly fits into this hole here. See that? We need to align the thing. There you go. Slides it there. Now this handle here, gonna lean it here in the compressor pulley here. That's just to hold when you put the wrench there. So let's try that. So that's 36 millimeter. Because if you don't have a tool, so that you need to make something, can you weld that stud or that Allen wrench there. Me, I just put duct tape. So okay, gonna put this camera. I don't have a tripod right now, so I'm gonna stand this cell phone here, just like that. Okay, it's gonna do that. So I'm gonna slide this 36 millimeter wrench on this nut here for the clutch fan, and you have to turn this wrench to counterclockwise. Okay, just like that. It's loose. Right on. There you go. That's the trick. You don't need to buy a tool. See, that's the only one. Perfect. This is a water pump pulley holder. Now you can take this clutch fan out. Screws down. Just turn the whole fan. Okay. Be careful when it gets to the end, because it's a little bit heavy, and make sure you don't drop this thing. There you go. Slide it out. There you go. There's the Now we're gonna take the bolts holding with that water pump. Now you can take the whole bolts. I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there you go. Just go get an Allen wrench and stick under that hole, and got like this a plate. You can bend this one too, and you can measure the length of the hole, and you can put a bolt in there or Allen wrench. There you go. Thanks for watching, and you got a trick. This 2007 Dodge Dakota 4.7 liter V8. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.